Hi, I'm Jamie Holme. I was a contestant on Masterchef The Professionals 2021. I really enjoy cooking, I always have done. I knew from a young age I was going to be a chef. I've collaborated with Meadows Honey to create 10 dishes which you can check out on their website. So for the Maron Glacé Chestnut Choux bun, I've paired this dish with a burnt honey Diplomat. This is a set custard which I've folded in butter and also some whipped cream just to lighten it up slightly. I've piped this inside the choux bun with a glazed chestnut puree which is also glazed in honey. I've just used the natural honey from Meadows Honey for this one. This is quite a classic dish in France, but I've kind of given it more of an English approach. Great textures, flavours are great, and a perfect dessert for any evening. Check out my 5 sweet dishes on Meadows Honey's website.